the keys that have been taken from the keyboard, and you know that most of the keys are dirty. You cannot read what is seen or written in this keys itself, whether it is 0 or 1 or T, whatever it is. So this video is showing how to clean these keys in the keyboard. For doing this, we must take a mixture of vinegar and water. After that, we are going to dip the key inside it. For example, this is the 0 key. I simply dip the key like this, and after that I take a towel or I take a old cloth or a waste cloth, and after that I am simply rubbing like this. By doing this, you can see the difference. It become more colorful now. So you can see that now it become very beautiful or very colorful. The dirty side have been removed, and whatever printed in the key is readable now. I will show again in the T key. So what I take is a portion of vinegar. 1/4 of this glass is vinegar and the remaining is water, and I simply dipped this key inside this, and I take a old towel like this, and I simply move my fingers like this. You can see it, and now you can see that the T key is also very colorful now. Like the way we can do it in all dirty keys, we can make or we can clean all the dirty keys. You don't know what this key is very dirty. You can see I simply dipped it in vinegar. After that, I take my towel or waste cloth, and after that I rub like this, and you can see that this also become very clean now. Like the way we can clean all the dirty keys to a colorful way. This C key, you can see that this is very dirty now. I simply dip it in this vinegar water mixture like this. After that I take it and I put it in a waste towel like this, and I simply rub like this. Now you can see that it is clean now. So if you understood how to clean the keys in the keyboard that are very dirty. For more useful and helpful videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers Well Online. Okay, I will show take two keys, B key and L key. I put it in this vinegar water mixture, and after that I take it out, and I simply use my this cloth to rub like this. So hope you understood how to clean the keys in the keyboard. So you must clean both the sides of this key. This is the question mark key. Okay, put in this vinegar, and after that I take it out. Then I take this towel. After that I simply screw like this, and look what happened now. It is very clean now. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.